There's just something about it, the whole environment in the kitchen, just a way of feel home and not being outsider.
The Greenlandic cuisine has a lot of taste. We have this thing in Greenland called kaffemik, where everybody you know from like the whole town you live in, they can come and like eat everything they want.
I don't know what exactly it is, but it's something about food bringing people together. Tundra's table has opened up a whole world that we haven't really had the chance to explore in Greenland. We can actually connect with our guests and not only just serving the food, we can also tell them about our food culture and just show them what we are passionate about.
The most rewarding being a chef for me, making a product that you are very proud of, can stand in for and be like, this is something I made.
I want to share to the world what we have in Greenland, and I think primarily I just want to make people happy with my food.
In Greenland, we don't have that many restaurants that is mainly only focusing on Greenlandic cuisine. So it's nice to be able to do that and like show a lot of people from all over the world.
The collaboration we have with Quark is such an amazing thing. We have so much freedom to do what we want to do with our foods, and it's only have been amazing throughout the whole journey with Quark.
My name is Iben. I'm from Sisimiut in Greenland.
My name is Miki. I'm from Sisimiut, Greenland.
And I'm looking very much forward to see you at Tundra to table.